The greatest victory is that which requires no battle. Sun Tzu. The greatest marinade surrenders duck. Soy, ginger, thyme. These are the armory. Duck, maltose, soy, 5-spice, pancakes, hoisin, scallion, cucumber. No pre-minced garlic, traitors the beast. Blanch the beast. Boiling water sears skin. Then shake dry. Let the armor gleam. Brush, maltose soy glaze. Chant 5-spice. The armor shines like bronze in furnace. Hang the duck in the roaring furnace. Heat cracks skin to golden armor. Countdown begins. Slice with razor blade. Reveal tender meat beneath lacquered crust. I once court-martialed a mushroom. Lay pancake, add duck. Play scallion and cucumber batons. Behold the conquest. Steam rises. Armor glints. Enjoy the conquest!